ancient design. Unplug from the matrix, rewind your mind. Yeah, 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 yeah. Remember your calling, the system is falling. Remember who you are. A light on a rising star. Unplug from the matrix before the metaverse marries you, but better or worse, you'll have a better hearse in the metaverse. You'll be a better version of yourself. In the metaverse, version of hell, what won't they try to sell you? In the metaverse, version of hell, what won't they try to sell you? Sell you to you. Sell you to you. Sell you to you. In the metaverse, you can drive a red Ferrari in the metaverse. No need to say you're sorry in the metaverse. No matter how cute or how perverse, you can keep all your freedoms in the metaverse. You can hide away forever in the metaverse. Your avatar will never get old or die in the metaverse. No need for your loved ones scream and cry in the metaverse. It's not a metaverse. Tune into the magic. Retune to the magic. Based on an ancient design, we are divine. We are divine. We are Unplug from the matrix, rewind your mind. Tune into the magic, the ancient design. Unplug from the matrix, rewind your mind. Yeah, 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 yeah. Remember your calling, the system is falling. Remember who you are. A light on the rising star. Tune to the magic. Retune to the magic. Tune into the magic. Telling them I silly.